Hi guys, it's Miss Berk again for another mini lesson. Today I would like to show you how to make blueberry banana cream cheese pie. Growing up, this was my favorite pie that my grandma Betty made for me. She would always even make an extra so I could take it home with me when I was in college. She would always have one that I could take back to school. It's pretty easy to make. Um, and that's why I still like to make it today, because it's actually one that you don't have to bake if you buy the correct ingredients that can just make it simple. So what you're going to need is you're going to need 2 pie crusts. I bought the graham cracker crusts that are already ready. You don't have to bake them. You just fill them and you're ready to go. You're going to need about 2 or 3 bananas chopped, and then a little bit of lemon juice to put on them. And the reason we put some lemon juice on them is because otherwise when bananas are unpeeled, they start to get brown. So we want to just make sure that they stay nice and fresh. Okay. So make sure you've washed your hands. I washed my hands before beginning, and just get the lemon juice on them. Okay. Something else you're going to need is a cup of sugar, an 8-ounce cream cheese, and you need actually just the small tub of whipped cream, but they were out of the small one at Walmart, so I'm going to use half of this. So you just need the small one. All right, so let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the bananas that you sliced up, and you're going to line them all along the bottom of your pie. Okay, you can be as nice and neat as you want, or you can just throw them in there and get it ready to go. And I'm just going to put half in each pie. All right, now that my bananas are in there and ready, I'm going to use another bowl, and I'm going to put in my cream cheese, my Cool Whip, and my sugar. And you will need a hand mixer or something to get it nice and mixed together. All right. Cream cheese, half of this. All right. And my sugar. All right. Now I'm going to use my mixer. And as I'm mixing it up, all of my ingredients are blending together, and they're creating a nice fluffy mixture. And you just kind of keep mixing until you feel like everything's nice and blended together. It's fluffed up nice. All right. Okay, so we have our mixture. Now we're going to divide it and put half in each pie. You'll kind of spread it around gently. Oh, my crust is falling apart on this one. Okay, spread this one around. All right, Now for the last ingredient. I know I said blueberry banana cream cheese pie because that's what my grandma always made, but my husband has requested cherry instead of blueberry. So really any pie filling that you would like, you just get that 1 can is all you need, and you put half on top of each pie. And kind of move it around so that it covers the top. And there we are. Now this is something that even though the grocery stores might be low on supplies, I was able to find all these things at Walmart. You might even have some of the ingredients at your house, but here we are. It is a nice pie that's ready to eat, but I'm going to put it in the refrigerator just about 10-15 minutes and let it get nice and cold, and then we will enjoy it. So if you give it a try, let me know what you think. It's one of my favorite, and I hope you like it too. Bye, guys.